Hello, Ian Brooks here. So I've been getting into arm wrestling lately. Got a competition coming up on the 10th in Washington. Thought I'd share a tiny bit of some of the vast weirdness I've been experimenting with for arm wrestling. Thought I'd share the part that might be less likely to have been done before. Um, anyways, the what I was going for with playing with tiny kettlebells here is trying to get some of the whole body connective tissue effects, and the ballistic kind of throwing and catching aspects that traditional kettlebell lifts give you, but focus more on the hand, wrist, arm. Um, I don't think this stuff would be good for heavy weight, just like 5 pounds maybe, like this cute thing. Um, 10 seems to feel good for me, maybe 15 in some, but the goal is low weight, more of a rehab exercise. Helps to reconnect. So I'll show you some of what I've been playing with. You can see if any of it works for you, if you so choose to buy some incredibly cheap tiny kettlebell like this. I like the ones with the bigger metal handle. It slides better. Some of the plastic ones, this is kind of coated in rubber, but some of the plastic ones, they don't give your hand enough space to move around in, so you need to be able to have it slide freely there. I could like possibly catch, but no biggie. Anyway, so this is what I've been working with. So you get into your base arm wrestling position, elbow in, elbow bent. And from here, you're gonna kind of let it fall to one side, could be back. There is risk of hitting yourself in the face with this. I think I've only done it a few times. So you're kind of throwing it maybe back and forth. Rise, drop, like so. Flexors, extensors, and it connects into the shoulder, rotator cuff, core, but lightly. So it helps circulation. You can center the movement through different areas. Try to get your core initiating, powering the movement. You can isolate it to the hand, the wrist, the shoulder more, but it'll still travel through the connection lines. So here's more of a throw. It comes over top and catch. You can go diagonals in different ways. So play around with it. Be careful if you like or not. But generally I like to try to throw from one side to the other, like flexors to extensors, and you can just circle around that way. You could do ulnar radial deviation, circle around that way. You could also do it bent over. So here it's a different feel. It's more of a swing. So the force is the most in the middle instead of at the end ranges here. It's greatest here and here. This way it's greatest in the middle. So it's more connecting. The drag is kind of the base here. Here it's more the post. You could do it laying on your back. I haven't experimented with that as much, but then the base would be more of a pressing movement. But same thing here. Ankle's a little off. You can hold your rise while you do it. Find some fluidity in the rise. But again, this is not a power movement. This is a rehab type. Lubricate the joints, show them how to relax and connect. Feels good to me. Of course, anything could be painful and cause injury if you already have funky stuff hiding there that you've been maybe hiding from. As a massage therapist, type of person that worked with bodies and always finding new things wrong with my own body and others, yeah, I can't say I have found an end to the difficulties. But if you keep looking underneath, doing your stretching, your mobility work, your self massage, your myofascial release, whatever, collection of things works for you. If not, get on it. It'll get you eventually. um, yeah, that seems to be inevitable that things are going to come up, but we can look for them ahead of time and try to address them a little earlier. So enjoy, and anybody that is more experienced in arm wrestling, let me know if you've tried something like this before or any results you get. Take care. Good luck to anybody in the Washington competition.